Hi cuties, this is your EVS session. This session we are going to see our first lesson more about myself. Children, just imagine when you have been a baby. There was no teeth in your mouth, yes or no? You were depend on your parents. Now how you all look? You are little grown up. You find little changes you have. For example, now you have teeth. Your hair little grown. Yes or no? Now you all eat yourself, play yourself, study yourself, write yourself. All the things you all know. Now you all know the difference when you were in a baby and how you look now. Book, take page number 5 and with the help of your parent, you take two pictures. The one is your infant stage and the other one is now how you all look. Favorite. What is the meaning of favorite? Favorite things are the things that we like more than other things. Again, what is favorite? Favorite things are the things that we like more than other things. For example, my favorite fruit is mango. There are many fruit, but I like mango more than other fruits. My favorite color is blue. There are many colors: red, orange, yellow, white, black. But I like the color blue more than other colors. My favorite sweet is laddu. I like laddu more than other sweets. When you hear the word vegetable, what comes on your mind? The favorite vegetable comes on your mind first. When I hear the word vegetable, in my mind potato comes first because I like potato more than other vegetables. Next, hobbies. What is hobbies? Hobbies are activities we do in our free time for pleasure. Hobbies are activities we do in our free time for pleasure. There are many hobbies. Example, reading, driving, speaking, watching TV, cooking, coloring, painting, playing, etc. My hobby is listen to music and reading books. Now you all tell yourself what is your hobbies. Next side heading, growth. The change in our shape and size is due to growth. All living things grow. Again, the change in our shape and size is due to growth. All living things grow. See, when you want to grow plant, first what you do? Take some seeds, yes or no? Then bury the seed into a sand. Water the plant. After some months, you see some changes. What change? The seed change into plant. After the months, you see a plant which you buried the soil. Like the same way, 5 years ago, you all been a baby. You all depend on your parents. With the help of parents only, you all do anything. Now, what the changes you see? Now you are a child. You are studying, writing, you are eating yourself. You can do your things yourself. Calf changed to cow. Piglet changed to pig. Duckling changed duck. Kid changed to goat. Lamb changed to sheep. We are born without teeth. Slowly our milk teeth appear. When they fall, we have our permanent teeth. When we grow, our dresses do not fit us. We also need bigger shoes after we grow. Our looks change with age. There is a change in our interest too. Do the activity on page number 7. Dip your thumb into ink and take your both thumbprints. Read and recall. All living things grow. All living things grow. Growth brings change. Growth brings changes. Things we like more than other things are our favorite things. Things we like more than other things are our favorite things. Activities we do in our free time for pleasure are our hobbies. Activities we do in our free time for pleasure are our hobbies. We learn new things as we grow. We learn new things as we grow. Thank you.